Hola, amigos. Welcome back to Lito's Language Lab. You've already been asking and answering great questions in Spanish. Every time you learn a new word or master a new verb, your Spanish gets stronger, it gets sharper and more powerful. And today's boost is a big one. We're going to level up two super important verbs, necesito, necesitas, and tengo, tienes. These verbs help you talk about what you need and what you have, and pretty soon you'll be switching between them so quickly and so confidently that it will feel totally natural, almost automatic. And that's not all. Today you'll unlock brand new vocabulary to make this adventure even richer and even more exciting. Every lesson makes your Spanish stronger. Every verb gives you more power. And today your Spanish gets a major boost. ¿Listos, amigos? Vamos! Beginning with our second verb that we've conjugated in the first person singular and second person singular affirmative form, say, I need.
Necesito.
Say, you need.
Necesitas.
Nice! Flip it now to the negative. Watch how that changes everything. Say, I don't need.
No necesito.
Say, you don't need.
No necesitas.
Excellent. Now for a few short answers. Answer, yes, I need.
Sí, necesito.
Answer, yes, you need.
Sí, necesitas.
Now to answer in the negative. Answer, no, I don't need.
No, no necesito.
Answer, no, you don't need.
No, no necesitas.
Great work switching between the positive and the negative. Your brain is getting faster every time you practice. Let's keep going and add our next verb. Say, I have.
Tengo.
Say, you have.
Tienes.
Wonderful. Now let's try the negative forms. Say, I don't have.
No tengo.
Say, you don't have.
No tienes.
Excellent. Now let's make these even stronger with some quick short answers. Answer, yes, I have.
Sí, tengo.
Answer, yes, you have.
Sí, tienes.
Answer, no, I don't have.
No, no tengo.
Answer, no, you don't have.
No, no tienes.
Wonderful job. Look at you moving confidently between all four forms. Let's try something a little different in this lesson. Before we add anything new, we're going to supercharge your verb speed. This is what we call our rapid review. Fast, focused, and only one verb per sentence. Remember, these are verbs we're working with. I need, you need. I have, you have. These are the action for the sentences. We won't see both of these words working together. You won't say tengo necesito or tengo no necesito because they're each distinct verbs and show the action of what we're talking about. We only use one, not two of them together. So when we think of these verbs, it's one or the other. Remember not to use them both together. But for this part of the video, your job is to answer as fast as you can. Be sure to give your answer completely before Mr. Roberto has a chance to give his response. Listen carefully, choose quickly, and let's train your brain to switch between necesito, necesitas, tengo, tienes, and their negative forms, no necesito, no necesitas, no tengo, no tienes. Are you ready? This is our rapid review. Don't let Mr. Roberto beat you. Vamos. Say, I need.
Necesito.
You don't have.
No tienes.
I don't have.
No tengo.
You need.
Necesitas.
I don't need.
No necesito.
You have.
Tienes.
You don't need.
No necesitas.
I have.
Tengo.
You don't have.
No tienes.
I need.
Necesito.
You have.
Tienes.
I don't need.
No necesito.
You don't need.
No necesitas.
I have.
Tengo.
You need.
Necesitas.
I don't have.
No tengo.
I have.
Tengo.
You don't need.
No necesitas.
I need.
Necesito.
You need.
Necesitas.
I don't need.
No necesito.
You don't have.
No tienes.
I don't have.
No tengo.
You have.
Tienes.
You don't need.
No necesitas.
I need.
Necesito.
You have.
Tienes.
I don't have.
No tengo.
You need.
Necesitas.
I have.
Tengo.
You don't have.
No tienes.
I don't need.
No necesito.
You need.
Necesitas.
I have.
Tengo.
You don't need.
No necesitas.
You have.
Tienes.
I need.
Necesito.
I don't have.
No tengo.
You don't have.
No tienes.
You don't need.
No necesitas.
I don't have.
No tengo.
You have.
Tienes.
I need.
Necesito.
You need.
Necesitas.
I don't need.
No necesito.
I have.
Tengo.
You don't have.
No tienes.
I don't have.
No tengo.
You need.
Necesitas.
Excellent rapid review. How did you do? Your brain is switching faster, your verbs are sharper, and you're choosing just one action word every time, exactly what strong Spanish speakers do. Now you're ready to add ownership in words to build even clearer sentences. How do you say my?
Mi.
How do you say your?
Tú.
Amazing! Those little words me and tú tell who something belongs to. Let's use them in real sentences so our Spanish becomes even more natural. Listen how to say book.
Libro. Libro. Libro.
Say book.
Libro.
Say I need my book.
Necesito mi libro.
Say I have your book.
Tengo tu libro.
What is you have my book?
Tienes mi libro.
What about you need your book?
Necesitas tu libro.
Ask, do you need my book?
¿Necesitas mi libro?
Great job! Just a quick question reminder. Spanish doesn't use do or does like we do in English. Keep the verb the same, raise your voice, and in writing we use that opening upside-down question mark to show it is a question. Ask, do I have your book?
¿Tengo tu libro?
Ask, do you have my book?
¿Tienes mi libro?
Say, my book.
Mi libro.
Say, your book.
Tu libro.
That's awesome using our new noun, libro. Your sentences are getting stronger and clearer. Let's try another new noun. Listen how to say pencil.
Lápiz. Lápiz. Lápiz.
Say pencil.
Lápiz.
Say, I have my pencil.
Tengo mi lápiz.
Ask, do I need my pencil?
¿Necesito mi lápiz?
Answer, yes, you need your pencil.
Sí, necesitas tu lápiz.
Ask, do I have your pencil?
¿Tengo tu lápiz?
Answer, no, you don't have my pencil.
No, no tienes mi lápiz.
Say, I need your pencil.
Necesito tu lápiz.
Say, my pencil.
Mi lápiz.
Say, your pencil.
Tu lápiz.
Nice work! Switching between verbs, showing ownership, and asking questions are really clicking. One more new word for today. Listen how to say eraser.
Borrador. Borrador. Borrador.
I know this is a little bit of a tough word. It's got those 3 syllables, but they're a little bit more complicated. We're working with that double R. We're going to have to roll that R. Think of this like we're playing basketball. We're going back to our bouncing method. 3 syllables, 3 bounces. Borrador. Borrador. We get that strong beat on the dor when we end. Borrador. Say eraser.
Borrador.
Say, I have my eraser.
Tengo mi borrador.
Say, I need your eraser.
Necesito tu borrador.
Ask, do you have my eraser?
¿Tienes mi borrador?
Answer, no, I don't have your eraser.
No, no tengo tu borrador.
Ask, do I need my eraser?
¿Necesito mi borrador?
Answer, yes, you need your eraser.
Sí, necesitas tu borrador.
Say, my eraser.
Mi borrador.
Say, your eraser.
Tu borrador.
Excellent work. The more we practice, the better our pronunciation gets and the more natural we sound. You're doing an amazing job and I'm so proud of your dedication to learning Spanish. Let's wrap up with a quick review of some older vocabulary to keep everything fresh. Say, you need my suitcase.
Necesitas mi maleta.
Say, I don't have your passport.
No tengo tu pasaporte.
Say, I have your flag.
Tengo tu bandera.
Say, I need my suitcase.
Necesito mi maleta.
Say, you have your map.
Tienes tu mapa.
Say, I don't need my food.
No necesito mi comida.
Say, I need your music.
Necesito tu música.
Say, you don't have my map.
No tienes mi mapa.
Say, you need my passport.
Necesitas mi pasaporte.
You're doing fantastic. Let's finish strong with a final question and answer round. You've got this. I know you can do this. Ask, do you need my pencil?
¿Necesitas mi lápiz?
Answer, no, I don't need your pencil. I need your eraser.
No, no necesito tu lápiz. Necesito tu borrador.
Wow, you just asked and answered full questions in Spanish using tengo, tienes, necesito, necesitas, me, tú. That's real communication. You've done an incredible job today. Every new sentence you build brings you closer to fluency. You're not just learning words, you're learning to use them to express yourself. In our next lesson, we're going to add our first question word. Okay? What? So you can ask, what do I have? And what do you need? We'll also learn 2 new nouns, marcador, meaning marker, and cuaderno, meaning notebook. More words, more communication power. You're doing an amazing job, amigos. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every word you learn is one step closer to becoming bilingual. Hasta pronto!